Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by locking down the essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Pick one learning objective so every clip points to that outcome. This reduces editing later. Once chosen, set your camera to 1080p at 30 frames per second and frame in 16:9. Make sure audio is prioritized. Use a lavalier or USB mic about 20 to 40 centimeters away and do a quick test recording so you catch problems before you record the full. Now continue the process by capturing the main content in manageable chunks. Record 3 to 7 minute segments to keep pacing tight and editing simpler. Use screen capture for demos, slide overlays for key points, and short B-roll clips to illustrate examples. This combination helps viewers learn both how and why. Make sure lighting is consistent. A soft key light and a subtle fill prevent harsh shadows, and label your takes so once you edit. Assembling the final lesson is fast and logical. Finish by polishing and publishing with a clear, repeatable process. Edit to remove filler and tighten sentences, add captions for accessibility, and include a 10 to 20 second intro and outro to brand the lesson. Export as H. 264 MP4 at 1080p with an 8 to 12 megabit bitrate to balance quality and upload time. Upload with a descriptive title, 2 to 4 focus tags, and a pinned timestamp. If audio sync drifts, re-export the corrected clip and replace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.